In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to prepare your Shopify store for AI, shopping, and future AI checkout updates. To get started, open your Shopify store admin and review your store from the back end. This is where you'll manage the core details that AI-powered shopping tools may rely on when reading and interpreting your products. Think of this as your control center. Before you make any changes, it helps to look through your catalog with fresh eyes and make sure everything is organized and current. Next, check that your product titles, descriptions, prices, and images are accurate. This part is especially important because AI shopping tools often depend on clear, structured product information to understand what you sell. Your product titles should be specific and easy to interpret. Your descriptions should explain what the item is, who it's for, and any important features. Make sure pricing is correct and consistent, and confirm that your images match the actual product. Clean, accurate product data improves both customer trust and machine understanding. After that, make sure your products are easy for AI shopping tools to understand. In practical terms, that means avoiding vague wording, unclear naming, or missing details. The easier it is for an automated system to identify your product type, features, and value, the more likely your products are to be surfaced correctly in AI-assisted shopping experiences. You'll also want to enable fast checkout options like Shop Pay if they're available for your store. Faster checkout methods reduce friction and can make your store more compatible with the kinds of streamlined buying experiences that AI agents may use in the future. A smooth path from discovery to purchase is becoming more important as commerce tools evolve. Then, review your store's structured product data. Structured data helps platforms and intelligent systems interpret product details in a standardized way. If this data is clean and complete, your products are easier to categorize and display accurately across search, shopping assistance, and future AI-driven interfaces. It's also important to make sure your policies, shipping details, and return information are clear. Customers and AI systems alike need transparency. If this information is easy to find and easy to understand, it supports trust and reduces confusion before checkout. From there, track whether traffic is coming from AI shopping or ChatGPT style searches. Monitoring these sources can help you understand how people are discovering your store and how AI-driven traffic may grow over time. This gives you useful insight into what's already working. Finally, keep your Shopify store ready for agentic commerce and AI checkout updates. That means staying organized, keeping your product information accurate, and making your buying experience as smooth as possible. The better prepared your store is now, the easier it will be to adapt as AI shopping continues to develop.